Assalamu alaikum. Today we will do some common idioms in English. But before starting a video, it's a request to you. Kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon so that you can get a notification whenever I upload the video. Thank you. Let's start the video. So here are some idioms and their meanings. Idiom is a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. Its meaning is what you have is worth more than what you might have later. Idiom is a penny for your thoughts. Its meaning is tell me what you are thinking. Idiom is a penny saved is a penny earned. Its meaning is money you save today, you can spend it later. Idiom is a perfect storm. Its meaning is the worst possible situation. Idiom is a picture is worth 1,000 words. Its meaning is better to show than to tell. Idiom is actions speak louder than words. Its meaning is believe what people do and not what they say. Idiom is there's a method to his madness. Its meaning is he seems crazy, but he is clever. Idiom is there's no such thing as a free lunch. Its meaning is nothing is entirely free. Idiom is throw caution to the wind. Its meaning is take a risk. Idiom is you can't have your cake and eat it too. Its meaning is you can't have everything. Idiom is you can't judge a book by its cover. Its meaning is this person or thing may look bad, but it's good inside. Idiom is there are other fish in the sea. Its meaning is it's okay to miss this opportunity. Others will arise. Idiom is the best thing since sliced bread. Its meaning is a really good intention. Idiom is the devil is in the details. Its meaning is it looks good from a distance, but when you look closer, there are some problems. Idiom is the early bird gets the worm. Meaning is the first people who arrive will give the best stuff. Idiom is the elephant is in the room. Its meaning is the big issue or the problem people are avoiding. Idiom is the whole 9 yards. Its meaning is everything all the way. Idiom is there are other fish in the sea. Its meaning is it's okay to miss this. Idiom is drain on someone's bread. Its meaning is to spoil something. Idiom is saving for a rainy day. Its meaning is saving money for later. Idiom is slow and steady wins the race. Its meaning is reliability is more important than speed. Idiom is spill the beans. Its meaning is give away a secret. Idiom is take a rain check. Its meaning is postpone a plan. Idiom is take it with a grain of salt. Its meaning is don't take it too seriously. Idiom is let the cat out of the bag. Its meaning is the fraud would be revealed. Idiom is live and learn. Its meaning is I made a mistake. Idiom is look before you leap. Its meaning is take only calculated risks. Idiom is on thin ice. Its meaning is on probation. If you made another mistake, then you will be in trouble. Idiom is once in a blue moon. Its meaning is rarely. Idiom is play devil's advocate. Meaning is to argue the opposite just for the sake of an argument. Idiom is he is the chip of the old block. Its meaning is the son is like the father. Idiom is hit the nail on the head. Its meaning is get something exactly right. Idiom is ignorance is bliss. Its meaning is you are better off not knowing. Idiom is it aren't over till the fat lady sings. Its meaning is this isn't over yet. Idiom is it takes one to know one. Its meaning is you are just as bad as I am. Idiom is it's a piece of cake. Its meaning is it's easy. Idiom is it's raining cats and dogs. Its meaning is it's raining hard. Idiom is kill two birds with one stone. Its meaning is get two things done with a single action. Idiom is get a taste of your own medicine. Its meaning is get treated the way you have been treating others. This idiom is said in negative way. Idiom is give someone the cold shoulder. Its meaning is ignore someone. Idiom is good things come to those who wait. Its meaning is be patient. Idiom is he has bigger fish to fry. Its meaning is he has bigger things to take care of than what we are talking about now. Idiom is don't count your chickens before they hatch. Its meaning is don't count something good happening until it happened. Idiom is don't cry over spilt milk. Its meaning is there's no reason to complain about something that can't be fixed. Idiom is don't give up your day job. Its meaning is you are not very good at this. Idiom is don't put all your eggs in one basket. Its meaning is what you are doing is too risky. Idiom is every cloud has a silver lining. Its meaning is good things come after bad things. Idiom is by the skin of your teeth. Its meaning is just barley. Idiom is comparing apples to oranges. Its meaning is comparing two things that cannot be compared. Idiom is costs an arm and a leg. Its meaning is very expensive. Idiom is do something at the drop of a hat. Its meaning is do something without having planned. Idiom is add insult to injury. Its meaning is to make a bad situation worse. Idiom is barking up the wrong tree. Its meaning is to be mistaken, be looking for solutions in the wrong people. Idiom is birds of a feather flock together. Its meaning is people who are alike are often friends. This idiom is usually used negatively. Idiom is bite off more than you can chew. Its meaning is take a project that you cannot finish. Idiom is break the ice. Its meaning is make people more comfortable.